What's good? What is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we have something very special from Apple. I have Apple's Vision Pro, which is their first steps into getting into spatial computers. So let's unbox it. I'm not tall enough for this. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Wait. Is it opening? Mm-hmm. Fighting for my life over here. Hold on, there's one on the side. Okay. Cue the holy music. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You can just remove the cover.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it.
Like this. Or you can use the tabs to pull. This is magnetic right here. All of it is magnetic, so.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, most of it. This you can remove. This goes around your head.
Okay.
This part you can take off. So this is not part of it. The paper you see?
Yeah.
The inside you can take out.
Okay. So we're gonna take out the paper. That was my brother. I'm not cutting it, so that was my brother. He was helping me because he bought this, not me. So I didn't want to break it. But this is the, hold on, I want to pick it up. This is the solo knit band. This part right here. And then this is the cover that he was talking about that you could take off, or you could use the bands here to take it off. And then he said it's all magnetic. And this is what it looks like. Oh. Yeah, it's making noises and I'm scared. Why I'm so scared? Because this is, how much did you say? How much?
3,800.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is a college tuition. Oh my God. Okay, so it's $3,800. So they have cameras in the front here. You have speakers in the bottom here. You also have speakers here and here on each side of the headband. And then when you put it on, this is how you tighten it. This little nozzle right here, you just move it forward and it tightens. And then I don't want to smell. I'm so scared. I'm just gonna put it down because I don't want fingerprints on it. But these two pieces are magnetic, so they come off. This is just the cushion. All right, so this piece is just like the extra cushion, and then this piece comes off because you can get it customizable to fit your face. Also, for those who wear glasses, you can get, you can order like customizable lenses to fit, and then hold on, can you see that? Okay, so then they go on the inside here. I'm gonna put it on to show you like how the knob adjusts, okay? So I want you to like get a close up on my face, okay? I'm so scared. It's not on, and then it smells like a brand new product, so I freak out in it. So give me a minute. Okay, so when you put it on, I'm gonna turn this way so you can see the knob, but I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay, so like here's the speaker, and then like here's the knob to adjust it. And then it like literally tightens your face, and this is max whatever. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it's on. I'm gonna do a 360, I'm so scared. So I put the cover back on because like I said, it's not mine, and my brother spent my entire tuition on this thing. But we're gonna finish opening the box because there's like other things inside this box. You open this up and you get, we're gonna open up this one first. This is just the instructions that you get with all Apple products. Then you also have a secondary cushion. As you can see, hold on, can I pull it out or do I have to pull it? Okay, well you see it's a secondary cushion, and it's that first magnetic piece that I showed you guys earlier. So it's this part. This part. There's a second one. And then we're gonna put that back. This is gonna be the neatest unboxing I've ever done. It's like I was never here. All right, and then I think maybe this is like more instructions. I don't really remember, but this is another booklet of instructions. And then this is just a secondary band. Hold on, let me see where it's at. You see like on the inside right there, the band. I don't know, hold on, let me see. I think it's like the strap that went around my head. Once you get done charging it, it'll last 2.5 to 3 hours on a full charge. Do I pick it back up again? Because I'm scared. Ooh, we're gonna put this back down now. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. And then you have this one. And then you have the bank, the butt. I call it a butt. Please don't get in the comments. That's not a butt. I call it a butt. Anyways, that's the box. That's the rest of the box. This is the battery. And if you want a new one, it's $200. Also, the customizable band that I was talking about earlier, that for it to fit your face, that's $200 as well. But I'm gonna put all this back together, and then we're just gonna end it on the pretty. Oh wait! Oh my gosh! On the pretty product itself. That's more than my tuition. Okay, so this is the first virtual augmented headset that you can see through, because everything else is either like virtual reality or this, that, and the other. So this is all three combined, and you can see through it. And you can also hook up a Bluetooth keyboard and trackpad. So how to control this spatial computer is using your hands and your eyes. There's no other thing that you need to use to control this. I'm looking. Oh my god. Someone's talking to me.
Yeah, it's Siri.
Who?
Siri.
Triple click the crown for what?
Okay, the crown, the digital crown's on the right.
Where am I?
Let me see your hand. Look down.
But it's
digital
not like...
crown's right here. She said triple click, click it 3 times.
Okay.
There you go. Now press and hold.
Oh, you can hear it too?
Yeah, a little bit.
Great. Okay, great, because like she's loud as hell. It just said 2 people are nearby.
We are nearby you.
We are. It says, welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items in Apple Vision Pro. To learn more about VoiceOver on Apple Vision Pro, tap your left index finger against your left thumb and then release. Oh, wait, like, okay. This is my left hand, right?
Do it, yeah. Now let go. It said tap, silly.
Sorry. 3?
No, it's just us, unless we're counting the dog.
No, she just said 3 people are nearby. I'm so overwhelmed. She won't shut up. Use VoiceOver to navigate around the controls. Can I just... Okay, yeah, thank you. Can I stop talking? Can I say continue? Like, help? I don't want to do this anymore. Also, before people in the comments are like, why are you saying your brother did this, your brother says that? My brother works at Apple, so it's literally coming from someone from this source, okay? So that's my source, and he works at Apple, so his information probably is not wrong. Anyways, that is all on this unboxing video. Thanks for coming. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you guys expended tuition on this, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down the right at it. Toodles! Are you ready? I'm scared. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're
going. Are you recording?
Yes.
No words were exchanged, but I can't even see. Is the tag on this side?
There is.
The arrow on this side?
It is.
Okay.
To go this way.
Yeah, well, I can't see. Wait, do I lift this out of it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared.
Yeah, sorry.
Is it
No,
this?
I got you. It just goes like this.
Oh, I could just pick it up.
Yeah, it sits like that.
I'm scared. I'm trembling. According to my brother, your hands and your eyes are the controls to this tuition cost item right here.
Spatial computer.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So...